Warren Buffett's management secrets. Number 14. The secret to encouraging others to come up with the right idea. Inducing the other person to come up with the right idea is far more powerful than telling them the right idea. Warren hires people without telling them what to do. He lets them set their own goals. They would normally set the bar far higher than he would have. They know he expects a great deal. No one likes to be ordered around. We resist anyone who gives us orders. However, if it is our idea, we act with conviction. We are in control. Instead of ordering someone to not do something, illustrate the negative consequences of doing it. The same as the opposite. Instead of ordering someone to do something, illustrate the positive consequences of doing it. Ask what you can expect out of them. You will be surprised at how demanding they can be on themselves. Ask questions instead of giving orders. Warren is well known for asking lots of questions. Direct orders work in the military, but in the civilian world they leave bitterness that slows performance. Warren realized making suggestions and asking questions stimulates employees to come up with their own ideas to solve a problem. We are more willing to act on our ideas than another's idea. If this doesn't work, give them a nudge with a question and a suggestion. Warren seldom gives a direct order. He is famous for peppering his managers with lots of questions. Another business tip from Learn Accounting Fast. Next, everyone makes mistakes. The secret is to admit it.